Welcome back to the channel. Today we have 2026 Jan P3 walkthrough. It is Edmond. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us see what you have in question 4. Or question 4, we have the resting heart rate H in beats per minute of a particular group of mammal is modeled by this equation. So the first question, part A, they're asking us to find the resting heart rate of a mammal, which is 3 kg. So what you're going to do, we are going to substitute. So we have log of h base 10 equals to 2.4 minus 0.25 log of m base 10. But now we have the value of m, and that value of m is 3. That's the first part we are trying to answer here. That's 3. So we press this on the calculator, all of it in the calculator. Then you're going to say that your log of h base 10 is going to be this is when you press the calculator. I have 2.2807. I'm just writing only those values. So when you find h, so you turn this expression into exponent. So this is 10 to the power of 2.2807 is equal to h. So your h is 190.862. But they say the answer should be 2 3-scan figures. So this is approximately 190.91 beats per minute. That is your h. Move on to the next question. Part B of the question. We have this equation, and the ones that to turn this equation into that format. So we have log of h base 10 equals 2.4 minus 0.25 log of m base 10. Now what I'll do first, I'm going to take this on inside over there. So I have log base 10 of h equals 2.4 minus log of m to the power of 0.25, but the base is still 10. Now collect terms, move the logs on the same side. So log base 10 of h plus log of base 10 m to the power of 0.25 is equal to 2.4. Is equal to 0.4. So what we do here, so when you're adding logs, what you do, so you multiply. So you have h multiplied by m to the power of 0.25, and this equals to 2.4. Turn it into exponent, so it's going to be 10 to the power of 2.4 is equal to m to the power of 0.25 times h. So make h the subject because that's what we're looking for. So you see that your h is equal to, when you press a calculator for this value and round it to 3-can figures, you're going to end up with 251 over m to the power of 0.25. That's your answer. The last part, part C, they're asking us to interpret the value of P. The value of P we are talking about here is the 251. This value of P, you can see H is equal to 251 if you put your M as equal to 1. That means the mass is 1 kg. So H 251 is the heartbeat for a mammal of 1 kilogram. And that's the interpretation for the value of P, the 251. That's your part C. Thank you.